Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. So I left my sound on. I have my trading chart zoomed in. Here are the levels I'm watching. This is going to be a long video. I'm just showing what I'm watching. So let me zoom out for you. I've circled my areas. I'm looking for longs. So this is, at this point in time, I'm looking for the daily open to get tagged again, which is coming in at 63,445. The daily VWAP has been a very good support bounce mechanism and or rejection mechanism the past few days. I've made good money off of the VWAP. So that's coming in at 63.35. And then you also have the weekly VWAP backing for that support. So I think that'll be a good, safe bounce point. Wait for confirmation, obviously. But 62.903. Had some good scalps off the bottom last night. Thankfully, I was awake for this move down. We did hit 59.5 in most exchanges, so I got in on the retest on the road this back up, and then unfortunately closed my scalp too early, closed up here, so it's still good money. And then you need to be careful though, because I was kept getting stopped at in a couple of these scalp trades, just because the volatility is so high. So trust your TA, let some things ride, lower the leverage, and then go from there. But yeah, I was playing with 100x leverage, which was good in some cases and not so good in others. So know what you're doing and know your risk tolerance and your level of experience. So this is the area I'm looking at. If we don't come down this far and we get front run again, also the liquidity hunting, you can see all these liquidation boxes. So somebody got liquidated for a 5.38 Bitcoin short. Top long here got liquidated for 7.7 Bitcoin. Probably going to get a rejection, daily point of control if you get that high. You've got to internally, well, no. So no, we have a bearish break in market structure currently. So until we break the high again, it is still bearish. So I'm expecting a rejection back down to my levels here. So I'm looking for longs. I'm not really looking for shorts, but if it's really obvious, I'll take it, because the markets are super volatile, and I'll probably turn down my leverage that way, because some of these guys, these wicks were, let me go to my other chart, and they're like ridiculous. 1 minute, I'm on the 1 minute chart, right? So look at these 1 minute wicks. These are, here, look at this guy. This is a 1 minute wick, 50%, it'd be 53%. So they're basically, they're trying to cap out any high leverage longs or shorts. So you get near 60%, they're going to liquidate you. So 100x leverage long, 60% you're liquidated. So that's what they're doing. They're just hunting for liquidations during these spikes, but they're also filling longs and shorts during the process. Some of my other indicators are saying that the point of control is a strong high at the moment. So I still think we at least retest down here if we hold the level, which is coming in, I think, the weekly. Oh, no, excuse me, the daily point of control. So I think that's a good spot for a rejection, or we roll over before that. Let's just quickly pull a fib while I'm on stream. You guys got me in the morning while I'm kind of awake, starting to get caffeinated. Let's go from here to here. Yeah, so we're getting rejected from the 786. We're sitting on the 618. You lose the 618 here. We're going lower. Likely going to fill that fair value gap below us, sitting here right around the 20 EMA, which I want to see filled. Here's also the local range I pulled. Sitting right here at the value area low. Point of control is really close to the daily point of control, which is also sitting at the value area high. So that's what I'm watching, guys. We got a nice big push up right now. I'm still not doing anything. This could be just a manufactured move. Still bearish, but if this comes back down and it holds in this area and then gets a nice strong move back up, that's a good indication to get involved for a long. At least as it's worth the risk at that point in time. But overall, still a bearish move. This could be a mini inverse head and shoulders, but it needs to push back up above 65.40 in my opinion to really start having a potential to become more bullish. So otherwise, I think we're coming back down here. I have alarm set at 63.445. And then also, I need to move my alarm from the low here, move it down a little bit more. Because likely, if it comes back down, it's either going to put a higher low in or it's going to wick the low and bounce. Otherwise, it's going to flush. So those are your options, guys. One more time, here is what I'm looking at for XO. This is my XO chart. This is the levels I'm watching. 63,445. Previous day close is also in the same area along with the previous day point of control. So these are strong areas. If we lose these, we are going to flush towards the low again, and we could go as low as 52. Just giving you a full heads up. This is why you use stop losses. This is why you don't look at this. You had 11.5 Bitcoin liquidation, a 2.7 Bitcoin liquidation. You need to be very careful in these markets. Weekly point of control is down here as well, so we could come back down and retest this area again. Totally possible. That's coming in at like 62, just under that. And the previous day opens all the way down here at 61. So there's also these areas to kind of pay attention to. Screenshot these and replay this again if you need to. But this is what I'm watching. So, all right, guys, nothing to say. It's financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me here at a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockguard Discord. Thanks.